Japanese stock market in the past 6 months?
This rise in the stock market definitely is producing positive results for the Japanese economy.